Hi, Grant McDowell here from SunKit. I wanted to tell you today about our microinverters. We've got a range of our microinverters coming out of China called APS, and I wanted to give you a little bit of background on the 250Y. So this inverter is, as the name suggests, a microinverter, and basically what it does is sit behind the panel. So you connect it up behind the panel, and basically the panel leads, the negative and positive go in there. That's the negative, that's the positive, and then these two cables then connect. Either that goes to another system, to another panel, which is a single inverter for one panel. So that will then go to connect to the next panel along. And then this one connects to the cable that comes supplied in the kit. So that cable then runs back, and your electrician will connect the connector cable that goes from this to the rubberized cable that goes back into your home electrical circuit. So the APS, as you can see, is a small unit, tiny. That little inverter will power your single panel for, I think the warranty is 25 years. So there's a lot of really high-tech workmanship components going into this little unit. It's weatherproof, so it'll sit out in the weather in all kinds of conditions and perform without any trouble at all. The other thing is that it's tied to the grid, and of course will read the grid signal. So this is the key to microinverters, is that they connect to the grid, and then once that switch goes and your electrician turns it on, that the inverter waits to read a signal from the grid. And once it has that wave signal coming through, and it's comfortable that signal is at the right frequency, it kicks off. So it's like booting up on a conventional computer. And once it's up and running, then it'll stay up and running through the day, turn itself off, of course, when the sun goes down, and then restart in the morning to deliver another day's full production from that panel. So the APS is a great brand. We're very proud to be able to sell this brand on our website at sunkit.com.au. It has a big brother, which I'll be telling you about in a separate introduction. But that's the APS YC250A.